Okay, so we're going to do a quick recap here of a client that we started working with back in actually December, late December, and we started focusing on various keywords that really were the most important for our client to start getting more phone calls, more customers coming in. So we'll start off with this one here, a very competitive word in that area, just outside of the New York. It's in the New York metro area, and here it's adult birthday party ideas. As you can see, it started off at a average ranking position of 4.77. They were only ranking in the top 3 just in their front door. Everywhere else away, it was barely in the map pack to outside of the map pack. With time, everybody I speak with, all of our clients, they understand that SEO is a long-term game. So we're talking, you'll see results, but nothing is a straight line up. That's why we always like to work with our clients for at least 12 months to see things steady, improving, adding more keywords with time. And that always includes adding, strong content, backlink building, cleaning up all the things that need to be cleaned up for on-page SEO of a website, any page errors, everything needs to be cleaned up on the website, as well as the Google Business Profile. They both go hand in hand. So as you're helping to clean up and work on the website rankings, it helps raise the Google Business Profile rankings as well. So again, here, January 31st starts off at 4.77. The average ranking moves up into the top 3. You can see there's some improvement. But again, we don't see SEO as a straight line up. There's always going to be back and forth a bit, some instability in the beginning. We go to February 19th. It jumps about, a little bit better. It starts going out more and getting more in the top 3 in the map pack. March 4th, we're improving again. It's 2.81, spreading out a little bit better. March 17th, a little bit back and forth, some better green. And we'll go right up to May 8th, and you can see now it's in the first position. Of course, these here, there's a little bit of an error, but these are definitely, you can understand, more than likely number 1 position. So yeah, it's gone very well. We'll move up to another very competitive keyword for that area. And again, keep in mind the New York metro area is very competitive. So we'll go to amusement center. Today, it's at an average of 1.54, which is very good, obviously. And it started off just outside of the map pack, on average 3.88. Again, they're number 1 right at their front door, and then quickly goes to the 3rd position and worse as you go out. February 6th, we saw a dramatic improvement. Again, yeah, it's exciting to see things jump up, but we have to keep our optimism guarded and understand that it's a long game. So from there, it jumps a little bit around, 2.02, not too bad. March 4th, it's still maintaining at 2.15. Competition is fierce, and we do see the competitors taking notice, but you still have to kind of take into account that it's a long game. Here it's at 1.23. It's moved up to, again, jumped up to number 2 with the Google algorithm update. It hasn't helped matters very much. The rankings have, they've been a little bit up and down for everybody, and that's not just with us, with our clients. Here, holding at 2.1, went up to 1.47, and it's maintaining here at 1.54. Again, it's for around 3 months. It's doing well, and we have to keep doing what we're doing, and that includes, like I said, content, on-page SEO, backlink building, cleaning everything up, and making a strong push with content and backlink building. Everything has to be niche relevant, and as you can see, things are maintaining here for now. And we'll go over to Arcade Near Me, which is a very competitive keyword. Today, its average rank 2.69. This one started off very badly. As you can see, it was at 9.37. Within about a week, it jumped up to 3.53. And then 3.7, started going back a bit, 4.15. Still a big improvement from 9.53. Here we're at 3.49, 3.51. Google update kind of pushing things around, making some of our clients seasick, but it's all part of the game. You know, we don't control what Google does. They have their algorithm updates 2 to 3 times a year, and it can be sometimes it can be painful. Here it jumped up to 2.37, and maintaining at around 2.69 within the map pack here on May 8th. So very strong keyword, very competitive. There's a lot of competition in the New York metro area for our FEC clients, but we push ahead and do the best we can for them. So here, this one here started off at just outside the map pack on average 3.15. We moved them not too great in the beginning, as you can see. As I said, SEO is not a straight line up. Brought them right back down into the map pack. Average 2.91, 2.8. I don't want to bore everybody going back and forth with all these dates, but 2.19. As you can see, things improve. And, we're doing things to maintain. It's not just getting to a good ranking position. It's also necessary that you have to continue. SEO is a long-term campaign. It's not something that you just go in and out and, oh, Ray, it's fixed. No, it takes time to get it stable, and you must maintain what you're building. Otherwise, your competitors will quickly gain ground on you because nobody takes their foot off the gas, and neither should you. So now we're very good at 1.99, and May 8th, 1.83. I'd say those are very good. And again, keeping the foot on the gas. You don't want to take your foot off the gas. Birthday parties, Levittown. I want to just show you where it started at. It wasn't too bad, but with competition, we want to stay in there. So, it got up pretty quick. So as you can see, we're maintaining it near the one position. But before, it was a little bit, some rough spots. Now it's all nice and even for the most part. I have just a couple here that are outside of the map pack. But again, I'd say for a few months, just under a few months on this one, it's maintaining, and it just, around the 60 to 90 day mark, you start seeing a little more stability. And again, you have to keep your foot on the gas. Indoor activities for kids, Levittown. This one here, it started off around just outside of the map pack, moved it up, got to 1, stayed at 1, staying at 1, I should say, around hovering in the 1 area, and it's within the top 3 still. But again, a little bit of volatility because the competitors have taken notice. But that doesn't stop what we do. We continue to do what we do. Content, strong backlinks, and Google business posts, etc., etc. Indoor playground, another strong keyword, very competitive. As you can see, when we started on this keyword, it was at 6.3 average. It was just barely in the map pack in the front door and quickly falls right out of the map pack. As you can see, it just goes right out. February 6th, we brought it up to 4. Again, keep in mind, this is indoor playground. It's a competitive keyword for the New York metro area. I mean, you're talking the largest city in the world. So you can imagine nothing's going to be a cakewalk here, and we don't expect it to be. At number 4, we brought it up to 2.57 shortly thereafter, and it's still there within the map pack. As you can see the map, it's getting better and better, but it's a long-term game. Here it's down to 2.16, doing very well. Staying within the map pack, 2.58, 2.67, 2.23, and a little bit of pushback from the competition, but we're still doing very well considering, and a very, very strong keyword, a very competitive keyword in the biggest city in the world. And here we are, trampoline park. We started off here on this one, 6.32. Same thing, was really bad. Way out of the map pack. It was just hang on at number 3 from their front door. So we definitely changed that pretty quickly. And the map pack there, what's gotten better over the first month that we started in there. It got right up there into number 1.79, 3.06 now. It's a combination of the competition and the Google algorithm update. But concerning all that, we're doing very well and keeping this client in competition. Now they're ranked 2.25 average and have to keep going. The KD is not too bad on this, but you know, again, there's competition in that area, very strong competition. Yeah, so the next keyword here, the last one, video arcade, is obviously very, very competitive. We don't expect this one to be the easier of the bunch, but again, it's a necessary keyword that we must focus on for the best interests of our client. This one started very badly, as you can see, 10.36 when we took aim at this one. Within a week, jumped up a bit, but again, as you can understand, that keyword is very, very competitive, and it's just a very competitive keyword. 10.18, we brought it up to 9.23. This one here, no surprises. It's inching up, not jumping up, but inching up and inching up. And each time just getting better and better, as you can see. Again, we're fighting the Google algorithm update along with competitors. So it jumped back a bit, you know, but we quickly had to keep pushing and pushing and getting it back in within the map pack. You know, it's been jumping around a bit, but you can see that the area has improved here. Again, you need to give this 12 months, but you should be seeing results within the first 3 to 6 months, and that's when you're getting things more stable. You have to have a strong content calendar and approach in order to help a business that's in a very cutthroat environment in the largest city, the largest populated city in the world. So I'd say we're doing very well with this client. What do you think? Leave me some comments in the down below, and would love to work with you if you're looking for any help for your FEC. Want to book more birthday parties? We're happy to show you what we can do. We have many, many more case studies just like these, actually in the New York area, as well as around the whole country, in Dallas, in places like Michigan and Detroit, out in LA. We have various case studies, and we also, you know, it's not just the SEO that we focus on, which is very important. It's the foundation of everything, but we also help on the advertising for our clients, and that comes with, you know, strong paid ads with Facebook and Google. You know, the cost per lead is very low compared to most of the competition out there. We're able to deliver results, and that's, at the end of the day, you want to have your phone ringing, you want to have people coming into your business, and it's all combined with SEO, with paid ads, and then also on another video I'm going to share with everyone, with AI voice and conversational AI. We use a mix of all in order to help our clients achieve results, and at the end of the day, get more money into their business every week. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for taking your time to spend your time with me. And I look forward to speaking with you soon. Leave some comments. Thank you.